Hey everyone, Spencer Coffman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the cylinder from a Schlage locking doorknob. So you can see here we have the doorknob. This is the locking mechanism on one side, the keyhole on the other side, and you want to remove this cylinder to be able to rekey the lock. Now you have two ways of doing this. Number one is you can remove these screws, pull this apart, take the shaft and spindle out of the doorknob and get the cylinder out that way by removing this knob, taking it all apart. Number two is a much quicker and easier way, and it involves using a paper clip or a piece of wire, the key, and then pressing on this little lever here to remove the cylinder, to remove the knob and then pull the cylinder out. So you're going to take the key, insert the key into the lock. Let's see, make sure I have the right key. Turn it 90 degrees. Then you can see here there is a little line. This is a bar inside of this shaft or in this casing, this housing here. Your goal is going to be to simultaneously push on this part and pull on this part. So you're going to try to separate these two pieces from each other while pushing on this little bar, because you need to depress this so that the indentations slide over the bar. So let's go ahead, we'll give that a push. You can see here that's sliding right off. So you can pull that apart. And there we go. So once you've removed that, you can set this part aside and you'll have this piece, which is the cylinder and lock. So straighten your key, pull your key out, take out your cylinder, and there you go. Now you have a lock cylinder that you can use to rekey this lock. It is a very simple step. Remove the C-clamp, remove your cylinder, make sure you have the right tools so all your pins and springs don't come out, and then you can rekey. So we'll have another video on how to do that. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe.